So hi guys! Welcome back to my channel and it's mukbang time! So mumukbang namin ay meron kaming chicken fried rice, pork sweet and sour, beef fried rice, and since si darling ko ayan, hindi siya kasama sa mukbang. Hindi siya kasama. Kami lang dalawa ng pamangkin ko magmumukbang. So, let's start mukbang video para may content. Pang content. Yan. Wow. Looks yum. Mais. Corn. Oh. So sweet and sour. This is the one I always make, Ron. You know the what do you call that? You can take the veggies, Ron, if you want. You can take the rice. This is beef. This is chicken. Anything you want.
You want this one, Uncle?
Yeah, carry on.
That is corn.
Alright.
Ano mais? Baby corn. They call it baby corn. Sarap, guys. Ang sarap. Nandito kami sa Vietnamese restaurant. Sarap.
Good to eat greens. Crushing my teeth.
You want more greens?
Better.
Yeah, there's greens here. Look. Konti lang ang pork nila, no?
Bilang lang. Pero masarap.
Sarap. Sarap. Ang sarap. Ron, chicken rice, beef rice. Have the chicken one. So yummy. Ang sarap ng pork, and the pork also is delicious.
Good.
Why is it the plate is not flat? It's like this. Look.
Mine is flat.
Mine is, look, there's an arch. Mm. Madaming chicken. Pero dito konti lang ang pork. There's veggies here, Ron. Look, ayoko ng pineapple. Masarap po corn, hindi mo kinakain. Corn. Hindi mo pa natitikman to eh.
Ayoko, chicken ko ngayon.
Ay, lasang mais.
May cucumber nga din, binigay ko kay Uncle.
Oh, take this. You like that? Gutom ka, no? Mga gutom kami, guys. Gutom. Ilang oras na since breakfast, wala kaming lunch. Ano to? Lunch and dinner. Dinner. Ilang minutes na? 6 pa lang. Hanggang 10 lang yan. Patayin ko na. Ang harap. Puro gulay. Ang ganda ng kulay, ano? Puro gulay. Ang sarap ng pork, ano? Malasa. Take all the veggies.
You can have this, Uncle. I don't want it anymore.
Ba't biglang tumigil? Itutuloy ko na lang yan. I-add ko na lang. Na ano? Huminto. Sarap. May 3 minutes pa eh. Dito napansan mo.
Wala na yung ano eh.
Ito.
Timer.
Kita mo ang puti-puti mo sa ano. Because of the light. Hindi naman magkaiba yung kulay natin. Sarap. Okay na to kahit hanggang 8 minutes lang, no? Ilang minutes na kaya kanina? Okay na, magpaalam na tayo, May. So, thank you for watching, guys. Aming mukbang, pang-content. Sarap ng food namin, guys, dito sa restaurant. Nag-vlog din ako dito sa restaurant. Ibang vlog naman yun. Kaya, sana mapanood nyo. So, thank you for watching. Good time, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.